What's up, chat? What's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? So, I'm chilling, big chilling, bing chilling, bing chilling, bing chilling, bing chilling in my beanbag. Who said I have to be uncomfortable while I work on my game, huh? Huh? Who said that? Who said that? Nobody. Have like a big monitor, big 55-inch beast. Not even a monitor, I'm on the 4K OLED TV. Yeah, okay, so we drain the blood, the UI, trade panel, what the fuck? Trade panel, damn. Okay, so for the trade panel, you know what we need, chat? Let's think about this for a second, just for a teensy second. Let's actually make a blueprint. BP, whatchamacallit. This will be the I don't know, I want to make it general, like so this blueprint will be a 2D scene capture that captures a 3D model and turns it into a 2D texture. Yeah. So then I can use the texture in all kinds of models, like in all kinds of like widgets and shit. Like. So let's name this BP 3D. Like let's just call it mesh capture. Mesh capture. No, I don't like it. Mesh to texture. Mesh to texture. Yeah. That's more self-explanatory. Yeah, I like that. A bit better. Okay, so scene capture 2D. What the fuck? Russian music. Only Russian music. What the fuck? What the heck? What should we play? The Magic Key. Oh, this is a good song. I like it. I like the song. So we have the scene capture. We need the static. Yeah, static mesh. I doubted for a second there because some meshes are static, some are skeletal, but actually all of the data assets have a static mesh. Even the skeletal meshes have a static mesh. Yeah, so sure, the static mesh can be parented to the scene capture. The scene capture used to have like a camera preview, like a 3D model, like the let me show you, like it had this thing, like only the cameras, real cameras have this preview right now. So yeah, the x-axis like is the front of the it's new keyboard. I'm like disoriented on the new keyboard. So just to preview, like we have like, let's use the sword mesh, I guess, because it's like a huge mesh. Yeah, so one thing about this, like, yeah, so this has the origin at the handle. Yeah, so probably per every object I'll have to set the offsets just so it's like in the center of the scene capture. Yeah, so that's a thing to consider. Yeah, oh my god, in a beanbag. So comfy, so comfy. Oh, whoop, what the fuck? Damn, locked my PC. Oh, crazy, crazy, crazy stuff, chat. That was crazy. Okay, so, new keyboard, disoriented. Okay, like I said. So, the scene capture should be, like, perspective. Should it be perspective? Probably a perspective capture with, like, a really low field of view. Let's see how that looks, actually. Yeah, so we use show only list. And the show only list. Show only components, yeah. Only static mesh will get captured. And texture target, yeah. We create a new render target. And this will be the mesh to texture. To texture RT. Tot mesh dot texture. Okay, yeah. Mesh to texture. Okay, yep. Yup. Okay, save. And yeah, basically. Okay, so we can see like a tiny preview of the capture. Looks horrible actually. Yeah. If we use orthographic capture, yeah, orthographic width. Yeah, 200 probably. Let's recompile. Yeah, I think orthographic is a bit better. Yeah, now the sword like fits in the whole texture. Yeah. Let's increase the size probably like to 512 by 512. Damn, 2 megs for the capture, whatever. Okay, so it has like a new like rotation. There's a new rotating movement, yeah. I never actually used this. Yeah, so it does this like performs continuous rotation of a component at a specific rotation. Rotation can optionally be offset around the pivot point, but yeah, so add components, like what the fuck. So like if I add the static mesh to the no, can't attach. Okay, so it rotates everything, including the scene capture, so it's kind of redundant. Said hi, hello, Dark777. Yo, what's up? What's good? Let's go. Yes. Let's go. What's up? What's up, man? What is good? Where are you from? What's the weather like? What kind of weather we having where you're at? Yeah, so mesh to texture. Damn. What a gay song. A gay song was playing. Yeah, now this is a heterosexual song called You're a Woman. Yes. You're a woman. Yeah, I like the song. The song used to play at my old job, at my old workplace a lot. Yeah, good times, good memories. Yeah. Good memories of being a blue-collar hard worker. Now I'm like a potato. I'm a potato. I have evolved into a potato. Yes, that's how evolution works. So yeah, now we have the image. can use the image. Yes. Yeah, so not on the overlay. Like, yeah, let's actually place it at the bottom, at the real bottom. That's the bikini bottom, and yeah. What the heck? Oh my god. I can't place it, like... Widget can't... The canvas can have children, like, you liar, you liar. Pants on fire. Liar, liar, pants on fire. So what we're like, yeah, okay, so the image, RT. No, there's a lot of RTs around here. We have a lot, yeah, mesh to texture. Let's search mesh to texture. Yes. There we have the sword. That looks bad. It looks bad, chat. It looks horrible. Okay, so we trade. Oh, now it's even inverted. Okay, so first things first. I'm the realist. You know the song? Chat. Okay, so we actually need a material. Isn't that crazy, chat? Isn't that absolutely like freaking crazy? Okay, so mesh to texture matte. Yes. And this will be a user interface texture, and it will be using a texture sample. Texture sample will be mesh to texture RT. Yeah, so so it's masked. The alpha is running the mask. Yes. And actually, damn. 1 minus. I think, like, yeah. I think the mask is inverted. Yep. That's good. We see the sword right here. It appeared. And in the trait panel, now we don't use the image, but we use the mesh to texture material. Yeah. Now it's good. Now we are good. Yeah, now we have the mesh preview right here. And yeah, let's animate it. So the rotation. Let's think about this. We'll probably use a timeline. Add a timeline component. No, not component. Add a literal timeline. Yeah, add a timeline. And yeah. We add a float vector. No, actually. Yeah, I guess yeah, we add a float vector actually. So it will complete the rotation in 5 seconds, and it will be at 360 degrees at 5 seconds and 0 degrees at 0 seconds. Yeah, okay, so now we just grab the static mesh and we set the rotation. Yeah. Set rotation. Set relative rotation. And we just make rotator and we just plug in the Z. And we make it so it's looping and it's automatically playing, so we don't have like to plug in the event begin play. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. And it doesn't work. Chat. It's not working. Why isn't it working? Why not? It's movable. Okay, so maybe the automatic playing like isn't actually working. Yeah, it's actually 2 meshes from the plugged into the thingy, and yeah, trade. Okay, it's still not working. Okay, so It's probably it probably have something to do. It have something to do with capture every frame and on movement. Yeah, so it should actually capture. Like, yeah. Oh my god. Like, I said this a lot of times on the stream that I'm R-worded, but bet right now I actually am. Like, we don't even have the blueprint in the world. Like, it's not, like, yeah, it's not doing anything. Yeah, so this is the blueprint. This is the actual thing capturing the sword. Yeah, so it's rotating. And yeah, now it's rotating, and yeah, looks good, looks great actually. Yeah, actually should probably add an outline or something. Yeah, but I don't know. So an outline would use a custom like shader function just to sample the outside pixels of the alpha mask. I don't feel like doing that. Like, yeah. Actually, when we have the vertical box, yeah, so this is the vertical box. Horizontal overlay and background fill, yeah. We actually need to add a blur. Background blur. Yeah. And the background blur is like this, and let's check that. Yeah, so this has 32 padding, 32 pixels, and blur is at strength of 8, let's just say. Yeah, now it's a bit more visible, like, yeah. So the mesh is dark, and it needs to have, like, yeah, probably needs an outline actually. Damn, so good to be on a beanbag. Oh my god, it's crazy chat. It's crazy. So trade panel, okay. Mesh. I could actually just add a light. Yeah, let's add a point light, I guess. And yeah, let's not parent it to the mesh. Like, yeah, just kind of place it right here, I guess. And channels, this have lighting channels. Yes, it does. So we affect the channel of 1. The channel of 1. And this will have, yeah, this will also be only affected by the point light. Let's disable the shadows. Yeah, again with the Russian music, what the heck. Let's, besame mucho, yeah. Why not? Okay, so it should be a lot more visible. Yeah, that's good. Now we don't need an outline or anything. It's visible, perfectly visible. And that looks good, it looks good. Looks fine. It's actually using smoothing right now. Damn, it's kind of, what was that? What was that actually? Yeah, so it's using MIP maps, and like when it's rotated at a sharp angle, there's like some glitches in the texture, but who cares? I don't care about that. Okay, so we have the mesh image, and we have the trade panel. Okay, so the image goes like on the left side. Yeah. And the list of items, like, damn, this is still like, still the UI, I swear the UI will be like, the UI is difficult, chat. Yeah, texture group is like, yeah. Advanced texture group. UI, no. No filtering, like filter. Yeah, 2D pixels unfiltered. Is that actually unfiltered? I guess, whatever. So trade panel. Okay, so just temporarily we add a vertical box, and we actually, before we add it, let's check where we should add it. Yeah, on this overlay. Yeah, actually, let's name things just so it's a bit easier. Maybe. No, my mouse is stuck. F2 overlay. Let's call this main, because this is the main window. And the overlay. Yeah. It goes right here. Yeah. Okay, perfect, dude, perfect. Okay. Or is it perfect? Is it perfect, chat? Is it perfect? No, it is not actually, because this needs to have a horizontal box. Okay, and the image. Yeah, sure, let's place the image here. Yeah, it's tiny. The image is tiny. Yeah, because the image size is like tiny, that's why. I have a numpad on this keyboard. It's like so weird. It's so weird having a numpad. Yeah, so yeah, now it's good. Now we are good. And we wrap this with a horizontal box, and we add the vertical box to the right. Yeah, good. Now we are good. Okay, so the horizontal box, yeah, it go all the way. 64. What the heck? Why is it like so much padding? Whatever. Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. And yeah, fill. Yeah, let's fill. Yeah, so register. Where the heck is the register? Yeah, so this holds the inventory, and it's activated from the humanoid, yeah, so you can trade from the register, or you can trade from the guy itself. So either the register needs a reference to the guy, or the guy needs a reference to the register. because only the register is like holding the actual data of the items that are in the trading area, trading vicinity. Yeah. So yeah, we spawn the asset, and actually, yeah, let's add a reference. Humanoid. Yeah, humanoid. And trader. Ref. Let's name it ref, just so it knows, like just for referencing the thingy, and it will be editable, exposed on spawn. We save, and we just reference the guy. Damn, my mouse is like glitching sometimes. It's probably because it's too far away from the computer. Whatever. Okay, so the register is referenced. So when we create the asset, what kind of asset? Yeah, the trading panel. So the trading panel needs to have parent. Let's actually let's name it parent. And the parent for the trading panel, yeah, so the parent can be the trader or the register. I could just make it an actor and then just cast based on what kind of parent it is. If it's like actually, let's just do the register. Yeah, and on the construct, get owner. Yeah. Owning, get owning. Player, no. That's not good. Okay, so owning player. No. Yeah, let's actually just set the parent here. Parent. Set parent as self. Yeah. Before we add to viewport. Yeah, sure. Well, the mouse isn't the best like at this. It's a bit clunky. But what you gonna do? Like, life is pain, as he said, sitting from a beanbag covered in like lamb's wool and like in the most comfortable like position of all time. Yeah, life is pain. Trust me, chat. I know what pain is. Look into my eyes. I think I don't know what pain is. So we have the reference. We go into the trade panel, and from the parent we get the stock. Now for each of those, actually let's make this a new function just so it doesn't get cluttered. We populate items. Yes, populate items. Yeah, so where's the vertical thingy? Damn, I gotta go I gotta go pee pee. I gotta go pee pee. See ya. See ya. Be right back. So good, so good. Life is good, life is good. Yeah, so what were we doing? What were we doing? Whatever. I'm not funny, nobody's laughing. Nobody's laughing anymore. Okay, so vertical box is a variable, and the variable, yeah, for each we create a widget, create a widget, and the widget is the row. What did I call it? Straight panel row. Yeah. Add child. No, actually we need a reference. Yeah. Now we can add child to vertical box. Yes. And yeah, maybe before we add, or whatever, let's add and then set. Actually, yes, we will this return. What does this return? Slot object reference. Yeah, we don't need a slot object reference. Yeah. We actually, yeah, set text. Damn. What the heck? Oh my god. Control space. Okay. Oh my god. Phew. Oh my god. Almost pissed my pants again. Oh my god. Control space didn't work for a second. Almost like, yeah, almost ended in tragedy. So vertical box, yeah, row, create panel row has a name, it has a price. Chat, everything has a price in this life. You know that? You know that's chat. Oh, глаза. Глаза. Yeah, I don't know Russian. Да. Okay. So the price is a variable and the other thing is a variable. Damn, I wish I could like read Russian. Как меня нашла, как от расту, рафтара. What the fuck? It's a beautiful song. It's a beautiful song. Actually, let's play another song. Yeah. Whenever, Wherever by Shakira is also a beautiful song. Now these lyrics I know. Okay, so the price. Snot. Ooh, yummy snot. Disgusting. Data, PDA. PDA item. PDA. So the PDA is changing. The PDA is changing, chat. Wherever I'm meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be here. That's a deal, my dear. The one down. Okay, so the price. The last time I changed this shit, it broke everything. So let's hope, chat. Oh my god, let's hope. Price, we had the price float. My breasts are small and humble, so don't confuse them with mountains. Yeah. Okay, price. Okay, the price goes there. No. Okay, what are we selling? In the register, inventory stock. We have cigarettes and an assault rifle. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. What the fuck, bro? My fucking mouse isn't working. What the fuck? One down. Cigarettes. How much is? What the fuck? What the fuck, chat? Yeah, move the mouse closer. Okay, so the cigarettes cost 10 blood. 100 blood. Are you kidding me? Smoking is expensive. Yeah, the AK Blicky Gragra costs like at least 1,500 blood. Yeah. To be together. That's the deal, my dear. Let me head over heels. Okay, so wherever price. Yeah, it's a text widget, so we can actually get price. Set text. Yeah. And we just get no. We break probably. No, or yeah, we actually get the price immediately. We get the price. Double precision to text. I think that will add. Yeah, fractional digits 0. Bye fractional digits. Bye. Oh my god. Again, when I say bye, I think about this song. I think it's this song. Is it this song? No, it's not this song. It's like, yeah, it's like bye-bye. And we get the name. Get name. We set the text. Yeah, we actually plug in the thingy. Mouse is glitching. I have like an extension cord I should probably plug in the extendo, yeah. Oh shit. And we get the name, get display name, get display. Yeah, this will be straightforward. It's just text to text, and yeah. Then we add the children. Okay, so let's check if this even actually works straight. No, it does not. Why not? Okay. Populate type. Oh, of course. Like, why should it populate the items? It's not even plugged in to anything. Yeah, so on construct, let's try. Oh. It works, chat. It works. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh, it works. Oh my god. Cigarettes, assault rifle, price. What the fuck? Great. This is great news, chat. This is amazing. Okay, so actually, okay, so yeah, let's think about this for a second. So yeah, you open the trader inventory window, and the first thing will automatically be selected, just because we don't want to have nothing selected, because then there will be no image, like no mesh spinning. Yeah, so the first thing is selected automatically, and then when the player like goes over the thingies, then the mesh changes. Yeah. Dab. 2017 called. Like, what the fuck? Dab, are you fucking cringe? Of course I'm cringe. What the fuck? Who fucking dabs? What's the like slang, Gen Alpha slang? Gas. This is gas, chat. This is gas. Yeah. Do Gen Alpha see that? This is gas. What do the youngins say these days? Mr. Mina, fuck up, yo. How to singleize Selena? Yeah. Coffee creamer. Like me, y'all, smoking big joints. Shisha. Okay, so what the fuck am I doing? So on the row, yeah, on mouse center, look for the earth, smoking up earth, blowing up earth. Oh, I get it from bro. The store and send it to dro. We got loud, we got dope. Rap. Don't peace. You know me. I'm such a fucking OG. Shooting like Kobe. Big doinks, kid, big doinks. Okay, so parent. The parent is trader. Bye bye. VBP trader. Yeah, on construct we actually we set the parent in the register. No, we set the parent in the panel populate items. Yeah, right here. Set parent. Self. Yes. And we set the parent just so we can reference. So on mouse center we get the parent. And what's the thingy called? What's the image? Let's actually rename this. Rename is this the rotating mesh. Rotating mesh. Whatever. That's a good name. I like if I can understand the name, it's a good name because I'm the only one working on this game. Rotating mesh, and we just Damn, actually, whoa. This is not what I need actually. I need this reference. How do I get this reference, chat? That's the real question. We could get all actors of class. That are of this class. Mesh texture. Whatever, like I'll only have one of these objects, like yeah. Yeah, so actually let's cache on begin play. Yeah. So the blood register. Okay, so do we have a path? Yeah, we have a path to reference it because this is the trait panel. Damn, this is so messy, so fucked up, but who cares? If it works, it works. Let's change the song a bit to something more light-hearted, like Baltas paukštis. Kol dar lelijos ežere, taip. So we do a little get all actors of class. And the class is mesh to texture. Mesh to texture. Yeah, BP mesh to texture. Yeah, let's get a copy of the first one. Why don't we? Because I'll only get one reference because there's only one actor. And chat, basically. Herman. Yeah, so promote to variable. This will be the mesh to texture. Reference. Kol dar tikiu šventąją nakties dieną po dienos auškai kvepia mirties šviesa. Okay, so we have the texture ref, and yeah, we have the parent actually, yeah. And the trader parent, yeah, so like right now here we have the reference, and yeah, and this has the parent. Okay, this is good, chat, this is good. So we have all the parents. Okay, so parent, rotating mesh. Okay, so this is the image, rotating mesh image. Let's name it image. Rotating mesh image. Where's the parent, rotating mesh. Just so I don't get confused. Like I said it was a good name, if I understand it, but I got confused. It's not a good name. Image. Yeah, so this is the image. Yeah, because we have the mesh itself and we have the image of the mesh. Okay, so where were we? We were here. Okay, so now we got the parent. Then we got the parent of the parent. What the fuck? Oh my god. That's fucking stupid. No. So the trait panel has, what does it have? Like, yeah, it has a parent actually. And yeah. Okay, so mesh target. Okay, this is actually the same thing. We add a reference to, no, damn, I got all actors, but I could just like reference this. Yeah, sure, let's reference it. Why not? Why not? Yeah, let's skip the reference. Yeah, get all actors of class is super heavy. Like, if it's already get parent, yeah. We get a parent of the parent. We get the grandparent. We get the grandparent. And yeah. Oh, too loud. Dongos. Get mesh texture ref. Yeah, sure. Do this. Goes now we get the mesh. Now we're talking. Now we're cooking. Chat. What the heck? Okay, so the roll. I don't even need a reference to the rotating image actually. Yeah, so we get, damn, again we get the parent. No, yeah, Wait a second. Price, name, icon. Actually, chat. You know what? We need a PDA item. Or do we? Yeah, we do. Well, that's actually, yeah. Item ref. Let's name it ref. Let's call all references refs. Ref. Yeah, so from the tree panel, yeah, we have the item right here, and we just set item ref. Yep. Oh my god, this is so messy. This is not how like games are made. Oh my god, I like resized the window to be tiny, teensy weensy. So this mouse, chat, I swear, this mouse is gonna get it. It's gonna get it, chat. What is it? It's for me to know, for you to find out. So yeah, it's gonna get it. Okay, so yeah, so we're get static mesh. Is it no get mesh? What's the world mesh? Yeah, world mesh. Set static mesh, and it's like this, and it's like that, and yeah. Okay, chat. It's the moment of truth. Oh fuck! It works. Oh my god. Oh my. It works. Damn, I don't want to yell. Like, what will the neighbors think? What will the children say? What will the think of the children? Oh my god. Think of the humanity. Okay, this is good. Chat. This is good, chat. We have achieved something. We have made progress. We are powerful. We're powerful. We will succeed. We will succeed. We will suck the seed. Go. We will suck the seed. What the fuck? That's gay. That's so gay. What the fuck? What the fuck, chat? Oh my god. Yeah, the mesh works. Okay, so damn, it's kind of hot. It's kind of hot in the beanbag, surrounded by all these luxurious furs. Ooh, okay, so whatever. I'm gonna go for the evening walk with my beautiful angel, pretty doggy. My beautiful angel doggy. Yeah. It was a good day. Chat. You know, chat. You know when the day is good, chat, and you enjoy the day. And when the day has been good, do you know the feeling? Like, You know the feeling. Oh no, the input works. What the heck? Okay, so some input works. Mouse input works. Okay, so I can't move. Okay. I should note that. I should note that right mouse button works. Should not work. And now opening the trader window. Okay, well, there enough yapping, enough of this bullshit. Fuck you, chat. Fuck me, chat. Fuck me. Fuck everything. Fuck. Just fuck. Go fuck, chat. Go fuck. Fuck off. Fuck off, chat. No, actually, don't go fuck. I mean, if you have good genetics and you have like something to pass on, sure, fuck all you want. But if you have bad genetics, don't fuck. Like, oh my god, is that a hot take? Is that gonna get me cancelled? Is that am I talking about eugenics? Am I talking about like? Oh my god. No, I'm not talking about that. Legally speaking, I'm not talking about that. Yeah. It's so comfortable. It's so chill. It's the Sunday fun day. Is it the Sunday fun day? Yeah, it's Sunday fun day. Damn, I got lost in the sauce. Lost in the sauce again. Okay, yeah. So chat. Bye. See ya. Till next time. When's the next time? Maybe tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. Whatever. Fuck off, chat. Fuck off.